Let's see what we got. I'm so excited. Package slip. Ah, sticker from the design company. I like it. I'll put it in my water bottle. This is it. Yep. Nothing else in here. Okay, more things to open. I'll be wondering what can help us with spices that's this small. And you will see soon. Okay. There it is. This is the Pynch kitchen first product. The Pynch lid. This is gonna be a universal lid, fits 80% of spice brand jars. They allow you to seamlessly dispense a quarter teaspoon and a teaspoon directly from the lid, including, you can see that little space in here. This will be space for moisture absorption packets to keep your spices fresher for longer. I'm gonna try to connect it to a spice now, but you know, it looks great for a little 3D printed demo one. The real one, of course, will have stainless steel. It will look extremely premium, but I'm just so impressed by this V1. Looks cool.